everybody. I am in Oshogbo, Osun State, Nigeria, and I am here at the Osun Grove, and I am here with Ifa Bondi, and he is a Isese Ifa priest. How old are you?
Yes, my age is 25.
Okay, so he's 25 years old, and so how long have you been training to be a priest?
And I've been trying to be a priest. I've already spent 10 years with my Olu, which is my organic Yoruba language. We can call it like boss, like my teachers. So I've already spent 10 years with him. So I'm now a bona fide Babalawo now.
Okay, and so you have been training since you were 15?
Yes, before then too, because since I was a kid, be seeing my father, looking at him, the way he's doing everything. That's why I'm starting to have some experience. So when I was 15, he just told me that I need to go to one of his brother to learn about Ifa, about some other Orishas, to know Ifa fasces, to know Odu Ifa, and to know other things too.
Okay, and so tell us what is so special about the Osun Grove.
There is a big special things in this Osun Grove, and the first thing is that Osun Grove, if someone come to this place and the person have a faith and the person make a prayer, everything will be answered by Olodumare. So this Osun Grove has been so long since our forefather. They have been worshiping it, take offering and doing festival for Osun. So many big special things, and people come. We have Osun devotees used to come to make Osun, which is every five days, to make the offering, to appease, to pray for peaceful in Oshogbo in Nigeria. So that is it.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about Osun, the deity, or Osun, the goddess.
Yes, Osun, Osun is among the Orishas, the 16 Orishas that come from heaven to this world. So, and there is one verses that talk about it, which is Shea Wurila. Kòǹkọ́rọ̀ àwọ̀ ẹ̀wù ní aládó, ọ̀run ló sún tẹ̀tẹ̀ kanlẹ̀ àwọ̀ òkè ìjẹ̀ṣà gba alákàn níbẹ̀ lódò tí ń tẹ pa àkàrà àṣà yẹ̀yẹ̀yẹ̀. Àwọn olólùfà fún gba arúnmọlẹ̀ olùkọ̀tún, àbò fún gba arúnmọlẹ̀ olùkòsì. Wọ́n la gbòòrò, wọ́n la gbọ́ ọ̀pá, wọ́n náà lágbára, wọ́n yẹ bí ẹsẹ̀ tọ̀. Wọ́n wá kọ́lé ìmọ̀ bí tí wọn ò fi tọ̀run sí ìmọ̀ wọn ògún. So what we are trying to say is that those Orisha, all the Orisha, when they are coming, they have seen that Osun is a female. They don't take her along with everything they are doing. So everything they are doing is not successful. So they went to Olodumare back that all the things they are doing, this world is not going well. They just ask for Osun. Where is Osun? That they don't take him along in everything that they are doing. So in this life, where if we don't have water, we can't do anything. So Osun is important, very important. If you want to cook, you will use water. If you want to take some things, if you want to do medicine, you will take water. So Osun is very important to all human beings. So that is the importance of Osun. And some other people can make Osun initiations, because if I really talk about Osun, and Osun is wife of Orunmila too. So that is how Osun. There's a lot of story, but to make a short of it.
Okay, thank you. So tell us about these monkeys. I call them monkeys, but what are they really?
Yes, they are monkeys. You can call them monkeys. So they have been here for so long. In this groove, they don't allow to kill any animals. You will kill any animals here, you will go to jail. It's a taboo to kill any animals here, because we believe that Osun is the mother of everything here. So we can't kill the fish, we can't kill any animals here in the group.
Many people come to Osun Grove to collect water. They use it for spiritual baths. They use it for cleansing. And the best place to get it is from where the water is flowing, so that it's the freshest. Many people bring jugs and jugs to bring back to the United States so that they can have some of the water. So we discussed about the Osun Grove, and this grove, many people from across the whole world come here to give their prayers to the river, leave blessings and ask for blessings, and also fertility. Osun is the goddess of beauty and fertility. And so many women come every year and they bathe in the water. They typically wash their head in the water. And as you're washing your head, you should say prayers. Many of the priests and the priestess bring their students to ask for blessings, and they ask the river to release any negative energy, bring positive energy, bring prosperity, happiness, and joy. It's a beautiful thing. It just feels so good to be able to do this. And hopefully one day along your journeys, you'll be able to do it. Thank you.